Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You are listening Radio Sadaye Hurriyet Jammu Kashmir. I am Abdul Salam with Kashmir Update. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, police arrested around 3 dozen people, including prominent Hurriyat leader Maulana Sarjan Barkati in Srinagar, Pulwama, Kodgam and Shopian districts. According to Kashmir Media Service, police during house raids arrested 28 youth in Badshahi Bagh and other areas of Srinagar for holding anti-Israel and anti-India protesters. Maulana Sarjan Barkati, called Pied Piper of Kashmir for his passionate and unique style of sloganeering, was arrested from his residence at Zanipora in Shopian. He was arrested after he delivered a speech in his locality on the occasion of Eid al-Fitr. Sarjan Barkati became famous after he introduced a new style of raising pro-Azadi slogans in the wake of martyrdom of youth leader Burhan Muzaffarwani in July 2016. Several youth, including a teacher, was arrested in Pulwama, while a young artist in Srinagar, Mudassar Gul, who painted Palestinian woman's face, was booked under Black Law Public Safety Act. Police also booked 3 workers of Jamaat Islami in Kodgam district. Despite curfew, the youth staged anti-India and anti-Israel protests in different areas of Kashmir Valley. The Secretary of All Parties Hurriyat Conference Human Rights Affairs, Arshad Aziz, in a statement issued in Srinagar, sought the immediate intervention by the United Nations Council for Human Rights to stop genocide in occupied Jammu and Kashmir. He said people's fundamental rights have been strangulated and they are living a hellish life under the worst military siege. Hurriyat leaders Ghulam Ahmad Khan Sopori, Khwaja Firdos, Abdul Samad Inqalabi and Ghazi Manzoor Ahmad in their statements urged the world to stop Israel and India from massacring Palestinians and Kashmiris. Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference Chairman Shabir Ahmad Dar said that ruling communal fanatics in India are killing minorities and Kashmiris to turn India and Kashmir into Hindu states. The United Peace Alliance, a conglomerate of several resistance organizations in Jammu, in a statement demanded release of Kashmiri prisoners amid rising COVID cases in jails. A report released by Kashmir Media Service said that amid devastating corona surge in India, anger at Prime Minister Narendra Modi grows with every passing day, and Indians are saying that BJP government has failed them. Amid shortages of hospital beds, medical oxygen, antiviral drugs and vaccines, Indians say they feel abandoned. Meanwhile, renowned Indian journalist Barkha Dutt, in a sensational report, has revealed that the death toll from coronavirus in India is much higher than the numbers stated by the government. Barkha, in a video report, has shown hundreds of bodies lying open or half buried in a vast sandy area away from Kanpur. The report also interviewed some locals who said they had been watching for more than 2 weeks that 100 to 150 bodies were being dumped or partially buried in the area on daily basis. It may be recalled that a pile of corpses was seen in the river Ganga at Unnao earlier. Addressing Narendra Modi in a tweet, Barkha Dutt said, "You can hide and fudge data, but you cannot hide bodies, as they float in rivers and leave you nowhere to hide." On the other hand, the Indian Home Ministry also has confirmed that nearly 2,000 bodies have been retrieved from the Ganga by various district administrations in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar in the last 1 week or so. Since most of the villagers are extremely poor and not able to finance the last rites of their family members, they have been dumping the bodies in the river. Both UP and Bihar share a long river bank of the Ganga of more than 1,400 kilometers. And this is for now. Have a good night and keep listening Radio Sadaye Hurriyet Jammu Kashmir.